Hey guys, Mish here with your daily episode of Body Armor. Today we're going to be working with the hips. This is going to be great for anybody who notices when they're running they have a give on that hip. If you notice you can't power out of any of your power cleans, your squats, your high intensity exercises from one side versus the other. This is going to be a very simple exercise that works a very important muscle for us, and it maintains our hip stability on one side and prevents us from getting that drop. When we drop, we put a ton of pressure on the hip, the low back, and the knee. So you can grab yourself a small weight. You can grab yourself a phone book, a small book, wrap it in cellophane so it doesn't move on you, don't destroy it. You can even take a really small step if you have access to it. What you're going to do is you're going to stand in this awkward position. If you don't have any back pain with it, keep going with this. If you do, we will find you a different exercise. But you're going to stand here. As you can see, hips are uneven with each other. You're going to work on keeping this knee straight, pulling your opposite hip up with your right hip. So this is going to be my right hip. I'm going to pull my left hip up. So you're just coming up to in line with that other foot. Again, you can hang out here for a couple seconds. It'll give you some balance work and some core stability, squeezing that glute, and then you're going to come back down. But you are just pulling up with that hip. We'll switch legs, and from behind, it'll look like this. Be very careful that you're only coming up and you're focusing on that pull to neutral on that leg you're standing on. And you're not coming here and side bending. We're not working on that side bending muscle. If you don't have access to this, standing on that weight and having your leg uneven gives you some back discomfort, you can do it the same in standing. It takes some concentration, but you'll just drop one hip down and pull it back up to neutral. Again, just working on that small muscle on the side of the hip that helps us give that stability of our pelvis. If you guys like the exercises that we're bringing you, hit the subscribe button and tune in for the next episode.